What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Here we have an interesting video for you guys. We finally managed to get our hands onto OnePlus 9RT. And just for your clarification, this is not a review unit, we made a purchase from OnePlus Experience Store. So this is the retail unit of OnePlus 9RT. As always, it's a huge box from OnePlus. Exactly in front of the box, you'll get to see it's written 9RT. Behind the box, you'll get few information about the device, like variant and pricing info. Now let's quickly unbox the device and see what all contents we get inside this box. Soon you open up the box, you'll get to see the device itself. For now, let's keep it aside. Then we have this charging cable which is USB to Type-C. We don't get to see Type-C to Type-C cable along with OnePlus 9RT. Later we have the charging brick which supports 65 watt of fast charging. Followed by some paperwork, we get OnePlus 9RT stickers, a welcome card, quick start guide, safety information, and a red cable club card. And at last a soft TPU case which have this branding of Never Settle. So these are the box content, what we get inside the box of OnePlus 9RT. Before taking a look at the device, let's quickly talk about the device specifications. OnePlus 9RT is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. Device comes with triple camera setup which includes 50 megapixel of main camera with OIS support, plus 16 megapixel of wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Device is packed with 4000 mAh of battery capacity with the support of Warp charging 65 watt. And the good part of OnePlus 9RT is it comes with 8 5G bands. We also have the support of 120Hz of refresh rate with a screen size of 6.62 inch Full HD plus Fluid AMOLED display. Front camera on OnePlus 9RT is 16 megapixel. Out of the box, you'll get Android 11 with the skins of Oxygen OS, and the Oxygen OS version is 11.13. So guys, these are some of the specifications of OnePlus 9RT. OnePlus 9RT is a great device and I like this particular color which is Hacker Black. We have this matte finish at the back of the device. In-hand feel is too good. Weight of the device is well distributed. OnePlus 9RT have that metal frame instead of that plastic one. Total weight of the device is 198.50 grams. This matte texture also avoids fingerprint and it's kind of scratch resistance too. If you get normal scratches, then those can be easily removed by normal wipe or bit of cleaning. Towards the right side of the device, we have this alert slider and power button. Towards the bottom side, we have speaker grill, charging port, primary microphone and a SIM tray. Left side, we have volume rockers and on the top side, a secondary microphone. We also did some benchmark testing on OnePlus 9RT and along with that we compared with OnePlus 9. So these are the results and we did multiple testing. So here with the initial scores, the first test we did where 9RT in single core scored 924 and with multi-core device scored 3334. Though results were a bit high on OnePlus 9 and initially I was running Android 12. Then I downgraded to Oxygen OS 11 on my OnePlus 9 to compare the benchmark results. OnePlus 9 was performing bit better compared to OnePlus 9RT. And also after doing multiple tests, none of the device performance dropped down. Both the devices were performing really great and all these benchmark tests was done continuously without any kind of gap. And these tests were performed using AnTuTu benchmark application where you can see initially OnePlus 9RT scored 7,78,081. But after the second test, we saw a bit of drop in the AnTuTu benchmark results wherein device scored 7,72,659. And the same case was with OnePlus 9. With the first test, device scored 8,02,249. But with the second test, we saw a huge drop in the benchmark results. But that wasn't the case with OnePlus 9RT. Just a difference of 6,000 benchmarks was noticed on OnePlus 9RT. And huge thanks to its vapor cooling chamber. On OnePlus 9RT, vapor cooling chamber size is 19,067.44 millimeters square, which is 59% larger than OnePlus 9 Pro. We also did thermal throttling test and here again OnePlus 9RT throttled max up to 93% wherein OnePlus 9 throttled max up to 85%. And these scores were without turning on high performance mode. Also OnePlus 9RT comes with 600Hz of touch sampling rate. If you compare with OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, OnePlus 9 have 240Hz of touch sampling rate and OnePlus 9 Pro comes with 360Hz of touch sampling rate. And this is again a huge advantage if you guys do gaming on your devices. Along with 600Hz of touch sampling rate, OnePlus have also added Tri-Esports Wi-Fi antenna for better connectivity. And I did gaming on my OnePlus 9RT and trust me guys, the touch was really great. Though OnePlus 9RT doesn't support 90 FPS right now in games like Battlegrounds Mobile India, but in the gaming tool, you'll have an option to increase the touch sensitivity. and increasing that touch sensitivity to max, you'll have a different experience while gaming. I did play few TDMs and trust me guys, the gaming performance was to another level. Though even device did not get much heated up. Huge thanks to its larger vapor cooling chamber. Not only Battlegrounds Mobile India, I also tested out Asphalt 9 and other games and the performance of the device was really great. So here till now I did not find any kind of issues when it comes to performance part. We also get to see a good display of OnePlus 9RT. As said, the display size is 6.62 inch, though device doesn't come with 10-bit panel. Instead of 10-bit, we have 8-bit panel on OnePlus 9RT. Display produces some great colors while watching videos. Stereo speaker support on OnePlus 9RT that enhance the audio output of the device. Out of the box we get the support of Widevine L1 certification, and with the help of that you guys can enjoy full HD content on OTT platforms. If you check the playback specifications of Netflix, here you can see it says Widevine L1, maximum playback resolution is Full HD and HDR capabilities are HDR10. And here you can listen to the audio output of OnePlus 9RT firing out from stereo speakers. If you guys have watched a video till here, then let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. And still we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. Also we are keeping a target of 100k subscribers before the end of 2022. So it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And now talking about OnePlus 9RT camera, which is again a major improvement over the OnePlus 9 series. The device is packed with massive 50 megapixel primary lens, which also comes with optical image stabilization. And guys, we'll be doing a detailed test on camera, so stay tuned for that. These are my initial impressions of camera on OnePlus 9RT. First, talking about the features. So there are tons of new features added on OnePlus 9RT like dual view video. We have an expert mode too and also an manual movie mode. Using these features, you can make changes with ISO, white balancing and many more. A quite handy feature for people who records video using their mobile phones. These are some of the samples which I clicked using my OnePlus 9RT after the latest update of OxygenOS 11.3. And I feel camera is really good on this device. But yes, bit of optimizations are required. Low light photography seems to be decent enough, though we see better highlights and shadows. Even in low light pictures, we can see pictures are sharp enough most of the times. And colors also seems to be better on pictures clicked with OnePlus 9RT. Here we have a side-by-side video shot on OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9RT to check out the video stabilization, and I do feel video from OnePlus 9RT is better in colors and exposure is also maintained well. With no doubt OnePlus 9 is also doing good. Even though it doesn't have optical image stabilization, we can see bit of jitters in the video shot on OnePlus 9, and that may be because here device is using electronic image stabilization to stabilize the video. But optical image stabilization is always a great add-on to any device. And now at last, here are two more videos which were shot on OnePlus 9RT front and back camera. Okay, so this video is being recorded on OnePlus 9RT front camera. You can see the stabilization and the picture quality. Also, you guys let me know how is the audio quality using the front camera. Now let's take a small video with the back camera too. Okay, so this video is being recorded using the back camera of OnePlus 9RT. You guys can see the difference between front camera and back camera, and also let me know how is the audio quality. So here I don't have any kind of complaints with the picture quality. Audio quality also seems to be good enough while shooting videos without an external mic. But you guys let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think about the camera on OnePlus 9RT? When it comes to software part, device comes out of the box with OxygenOS 11.3. And nowadays not everyone is liking the latest build of OxygenOS, which is a mixture of ColorOS 2. But guys, trust me, once you start using OxygenOS 12 or any build after OxygenOS 11.2, I'm sure you guys gonna love the software experience. The software experience still remains as good as it was earlier. You don't get to see any bloatwares. Only one application will be installed when it comes to bloatwares, and that's Spotify. Though this application can be easily uninstalled. We also get lot many comments like when we are going to see the stable build of OxygenOS 12 for OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9RT. So guys, OnePlus have already promised to provide 3 years of and 4 years of security updates. For OnePlus 9 and 9RT, we might see Android 12 in the month of March or April. Today OnePlus rolled out stable Android 12 for OnePlus 9 series. Like now people are getting it via OTA update. Device is also packed with 4500 mAh of battery capacity, which have the support of 65 watt fast charging. Also company claims that device can charge from 0 to 100 in 29 minutes. To test out the company claims, we'll be doing a dedicated charging test of OnePlus 9RT. Also, if you use third-party fast chargers to charge OnePlus 9RT, the device will have max support of 33 watt fast charging instead of 65 watts. And pricing of OnePlus 9RT, basically OnePlus 9RT comes in two variants in terms of storage and RAM. Also we have two color variants. One is Nano Silver and the second one is Hacker Black, the one which we have. Pricing of the base variant is 42,999 and higher variant will cost you 46,999. You guys can avail bank offers and get a direct discount of 4,000. We have 8GB of RAM variant device and that costed me 38,999. Direct bank discount of 4,000 rupees. I'll leave the purchase links in the description below. If you guys want to purchase, then you can use those links to make a purchase. And here is some general information about OnePlus 9RT. OnePlus 9RT have support of Bluetooth 5.2. We do get the NFC support. It also comes with 8 5G bands, 4G plus carrier aggregation, but there is no wireless charging support and no IP rating. So guys, this was a quick unboxing and initial impressions of OnePlus 9RT. Overall, it's a great device for people who are into gaming because it comes with a huge vapor cooling chamber and that 600 Hz of touch sampling rate overall improves the gaming experience on OnePlus 9RT. With OnePlus 9RT, OnePlus have improved many things on this device compared to other OnePlus 9 series. There are many videos coming about OnePlus 9RT, so stay tuned for that. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.